everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but today I have something exciting for you. I'm playing around with the Bari Luce Cosmetics makeup line, and I did try out a little bit of their skincare as well. If you want to see how I got this beautiful glam look, keep on watching. And I just wanted to thank Bari Luce Cosmetics for helping me out when I was doing my order. She explained everything for me, helped me find my shade, helped me find things that I was looking for. The customer service was top-notch, amazing. And you honestly need to follow her on Instagram, check her out. I'm gonna leave all her stuff down below. If you love makeup, if you love to have fun and just be yourself, subscribe to my channel. It's a safe space, and we're all here to just play around with makeup and have fun. So I'd love it if you give me a like, subscribe, let me know what kind of brands you want me to try and see, and let's go on to the video. So my first step into my foundation routine is to use a primer. I currently only have this one at the moment. It's the Professional, so this one's just the one I'm gonna use. And prior to my makeup foundation routine, when I hopped in the shower, I actually used the Bari Luce Cosmetics face mask, and it looks like this on the outside. Can't see without my glasses if there's glare. It smells so fresh and clean, and honestly it really helps plump up the skin. It's extra hydration, especially now during the winter months. Our skin gets really dry and flaky. I recommend using a nice face scrub one day and then using this the next day. Really helps hydrate the skin, like I said. I'm obsessed. Now, for concealer, I did pick up the Bari Luce gift box set. So in the gift box set, you do get a concealer, a liquid lipstick in this beautiful red, and a nice coral blush, which you can honestly transition from fall to summer to winter to spring. It's perfect. The only thing is, because this was a custom box for someone's bachelorette party, the shade's a bit too dark for my skin complexion for the under eyes. So what I'm going to use this to do is I'm actually going to use it to spot conceal my acne. And I love the doe foot applicator, my favorite type of concealers. Before I blend the concealer out, this is the foundation. I love the packaging. So I did wet my sponge. The sponge is just one I got at Dollarama. I'm excited to try it. So I picked up the shade Ivory. I feel like I could have gone a shade down, but I always like to go a shade up in my foundation just to give me a little tanned look. Now this is a full coverage foundation. If you wanted to go and turn it into a tinted moisturizer, all you have to do is mix it with your favorite moisturizer. I always say cream moisturizers work well when you're trying to make a tinted moisturizer. You could use gel, but for me personally, I find cream moisturizers work a tad bit better. And just blend it in the skin. I have an oily to combination skin complexion, so I only use tinted moisturizers on vacation or if I need that extra boost of hydration. But today I'm good, so I'm just gonna use the foundation as it is. And like I said, that face mask I used really hydrated my skin, so I didn't even use a face cream. And then I'm going to bring it down my neck. First impressions of the foundation, I love that it's not cakey. I can build up the coverage if I want to. And honestly, I'm not mad about the shade match. I think it's really nice. And like I said, I did accidentally pick up a concealer that was a bit too dark. So I used it to spot conceal around my face, any acne, anything like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pop in just one of the concealers that I normally use. I actually picked this up recently from Shoppers Drug Mart. This is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Concealer. And I purposely got this in 2 shades lighter just because I know all my concealers are way too dark, so at least I have a balance of both. And this one is in Fair Light. I'm no makeup artist, that's not what I went into school for, so if you think I'm doing something wrong, I just find makeup fun, so I'm just doing it the way that I like to do it, and it works for me. So honestly, everyone's different. Do you, boo-boo? I've done the foundation. I'm just gonna use one of my foundation powders that I have. This is the MAC C35. Again, this is way too dark for my skin. I need to pick up some more shades that actually match my face, but this will do for now. And I'm just using the e.l.f. brush from their Retro Paradise collection. Just blend everything all in. Now, if you don't want to put foundation powder over top, you don't have to. You could even just do a quick translucent setting powder under the, right here on the under eyes, in between the nose, the jawline, just where you bake. And you could just leave it like that for a few minutes and then just dust it off. But your girl ain't got time to bake, so she gotta go. I'm just pressing it into the skin, not rubbing. I noticed that once I used to rub it into the skin, I kind of moved my foundation, so I always push it into the skin. Now this is what the foundation looks like. And honestly, don't come for me for not blending down to my neck. This is a white sweater. I don't want to get it dirty. That's why I didn't blend it down. And realistically, wearing a mask, no one's gonna see my chin. So, for my bronzer, I'm just going in with my Hoola bronzer. Don't you just love when you get to open a brand new product? It's so exciting. And I'm going to go in with the Bari Luce Cosmetics blush. And this is a nice coral blush. Use the blush in the color Passion Peach. So this is what it looks on the outside. And that's the color of the blush. I always start from my hairline and work my way down just because I have a rounder face. So I'm gonna start from here and work my way down. And do the same thing I did before, like a patting motion. I honestly don't remember where I left off at because my camera memory storage went out, but I think I ended with blush. So like I said before, I'm using the Bari Luce Cosmetics blush in Peach Passion. And what I was trying to say before the memory card died was that I wanted a blush like this that's very light, just because when I'm teaching I don't want to look like I'm wearing too much makeup. I want something natural and something that just radiates on my skin. And this is what Bari Luce does. What they do is they've created makeup that's wearable for every day, for all occasions. You can go from glam to wedding to party to natural everyday looks. That's why I like this brand, because they've thought of everyone. And all the products are made in Canada, and they're, I think, quote me if I'm wrong, 100% vegan. So before I apply any eyeshadow just for my base, I'm gonna use the MAC Dazzle Liquid Eyeshadow in Beam Time, and it's a really nice rose gold shade. I'm going to just apply it on the lid. Kind of like a base, and then I'm gonna blend that out. So next I'm going in with the Bari Luce eyeshadow, and I think I accidentally took off the sticker, so I forgot the name of the shadow, but this one is, it comes in one of the sets if you check online on their website. It's just a universal kind of taupe shade, but it gives me like a plum undertone, which I really like. So that's what it looks like. It's kind of like a vine, not a vine, like a grape, what am I saying? Burgundy, that's the word I was looking for. It's like a burgundy taupe. So this is really pigmented, so I always try to use a little bit. And here's one of the fun parts. This is the Bari Luce Cosmetics. You can use this all over. You can use this body, cheeks highlight. You can use it on the eyes as eyeshadow. So this is a multi-use product, which is perfect. And like I said, it's called Sunstone. And then when you open it up, I love that it comes with a cap. Knowing me, I make a mess everywhere I go, so I love that it comes with the cap. I either shake it into a paper towel, or just for today, I'm gonna shake it onto the cap. I'm gonna try to show you without making a mess. That's what it looks like. Let me see. I don't know if you can see it in the cap. That's what it looks like. I'm going to take a little on my brush. Dab, 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 dab. A little goes a long way with this product. Look at that pigmentation. And I'm just gonna blend it all over. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'll try to do it so that you can see on the camera just because I'm looking at my mirror. Like, look at that shine. And then what I'm gonna blend it in. Now, for their lipsticks, they have different formulas. They have lip glosses, lipsticks, and liquid lipsticks. I have the lipstick in the tube called Doll Me Up. And this is a really nice kind of pink fuchsia. And that's what the color is. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. So I picked up Coveted, and it's a nice pinky mauve shade. And that's Coveted. I don't know if you can see. Let me try turning off the mirror light if you can get like a better, or if it's gonna turn orange. I don't know if it's gonna turn orange. But that's what Coveted looks like. This is the shade Hot Lips, and it's a nice coral red. It's like a nice orange hot red. And that's what that one looks like, Hot Lips. And if I had to pick one of my favorites, they're all my favorite, but if I had to pick just one, it would be Baby Spice. And I feel like this is my shade. If I could wear one shade for the rest of my life, it'd be a shade like this or similar to this. And like I said, this is Baby Spice. I'm gonna swatch it. Like, I know that's a bad swatch on my part, but look at that. I love that shade. Again, I'm gonna turn off the light just so you can check the difference. That's with the light. You could choose to lip line and then apply these, or these alone. Honestly, I just like to leave a lip balm on while I'm doing my makeup, and then I just wipe it off, and then I just apply the liquid lipstick. And one thing you can also do is take the liquid lipstick that's a shade or two lighter, and you can mix them together, create your own custom shades. What I'm using is Coveted, and I'm only gonna put it in the center just to give that ombre effect. My hair is still drying, but this is the finished look. I hope you like this look. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this look. It feels light, it feels natural, it doesn't feel cakey, and honestly it's great for every day, very natural, or if you want to glam it up a bit, you have the option to do so. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day and take care. Stay safe. Not only does she have fantastic makeup, she also has amazing skincare. This is a scrub she has on her website, and I'm obsessed. Yeah. Check out Bari Luce Cosmetics. I'll leave a link down in the description. Well everyone, this is the final look. If you want to see more different videos from me, let me know what you'd like to see in the comments down below. I want to thank you all for sticking around, for subscribing, showing love and support. I hope you have a great day. Always be true to yourself and stay beautiful.